non-renewable resources. Okay, non-renewable resources are exhaustible resources. Okay, the resources which are in a limited condition. Okay, and after a certain period of time they may get finished. Okay, they can get extinct. Fine. So these are the exhaustible resources. Then resources like coal, metal and petroleum. These are the main three resources which are non-renewable. Okay, हम इनका यूज करते जा रहे हैं एंड हम बहुत ही केयरलेसली यूज कर रहे हैं. तो हो सकता है कि एकदम ऐसा आए कि ये तीन चीजें यहाँ से गुम हो जाए, फिनिश हो जाए. ओके, then metals are found deep inside the earth and in limited quantity, right? हमें यहाँ पे metals कहाँ से मिलते हैं? From beneath the ground, right? And ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा limited quantity में है. और ऐसी condition में क्या होगा? इसका use बढ़ता जाएगा तो metals तो हमारे यहाँ से खत्म हो जाएंगे, right? So we have to be very careful by using the non-renewable resources. Next, coal is used as a fuel, right? कोल हमारे यहाँ फ्यूल की तरह यूज होता है. हम अगर देखें तो विलेजेस में वो फॉर कुकिंग इट इज यूज्ड एंड ट्रेन्स में स्टीम इंजन्स में ये यूज होता है एंड इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, राइट? इंडिया इज रिच इन कोल रिजर्व्स. इंडिया के पास कोल रिजर्व्स बहुत सारे हैं बट इट इज डिप्लीटिंग रैपिडली. बट ये भी अब खत्म होने आ रहा है because we are using it on a very large scale. Fine, dear children. Next, petroleum is called black gold because of its importance. Petroleum means the mineral oil that we get from the beneath the ground, right? वो भी हमें अपने ग्राउंड के नीचे से ही मिलता है. बट ये भी अब धीरे धीरे खत्म होता जा रहा है. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया हो तो पेट्रोल और डीजल के रेट्स कितने हाई हो रहे हैं, राइट? बिकॉज यहाँ पे पेट्रोलियम अब ज़्यादा नहीं बचा है. तो इसका यूज़ अगर हम केयरफुली नहीं करेंगे तो ये भी एक दिन यहाँ से खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट डियर चिल्ड्रन? लेट्स सी व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर बीइंग ओवरयूज्ड. बहुत ज़्यादा यूज हो रहा है. Researches are being conducted to harness alternate energy source. Now, as you all know, all these resources are getting over. So, there are many researches going on to find an alternate solution of this problem. Okay? So, let us see what is the solution. Solar energy, also described as a resource of the future. I hope you have an idea of what is solar energy. The energy which is generated with the help of the sunlight, right? So now we are using the solar energy as an alternate thing in front of the natural resources, okay? Advanced countries like Japan are developing cars that run by solar energy. As you all know, Japan is the most very resourceful country we can say. वो कुछ ना कुछ ideas निकालते रहते हैं, right? So Japan is now trying to make solar cars. हम कर सकते हैं ऐसा? हम बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, but उसके लिए हमें हमारे resources को पूरी तरह खत्म नहीं करना है. हमें new ideas सोचने हैं और resources का use भी carefully करना है, right? Biogas plants are being successfully used in rural areas as fuel for cooking. Do you know what is biogas plant? Biogas plant एक बहुत बड़ा टनल होता है, एक बहुत ही टावर होता है बड़ा, ओके? एंड वो टनल के शेप में होता है. उसमें हम लोग हमारा सारा वेस्ट मटेरियल डालते हैं एंड वो वेस्ट मटेरियल को एक प्रोसेस के थ्रू हम एनर्जी उसमें से प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एज द बायोगैस प्लांट्स. ये रूरल एरियाज में मीन्स विलेज एरियाज में यूज किया जा रहा है एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट. We need to conserve our natural resources as our careless attitude towards them will lead them at the verge of extinction. We have to be very careful, right? Now, dear children, we will see the video lesson of this chapter. Okay? So, are you ready? Let's go.
Windmills. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are available in limited quantity. Once they are exhausted, like metals, coal and petroleum, they cannot be replaced. These resources are also called exhaustible resources. For example, metal are found deep inside the earth and in limited quantity. Since ancient times, metals are used for making household utensils, tools, weapons, and ornaments. Similarly, coal is used as a fuel to cook, heat, and generate electricity. It is used to run steam engines, factories, etc. It is also used in the production of glass, cement, and steel. India is rich in coal reserves, but it is depleting rapidly. Petroleum is also called black gold because of its importance in our life. It is refined to make petrol, kerosene, and diesel. These are used as fuel in vehicles, public transport, factories, industries, etc. It is also used for production of plastics, fertilizers, detergents, paints, pesticides, etc. Oil reserves are also limited. Nowadays, as the natural resources are being overused, researches are being conducted to harness alternative energy sources. Solar energy is one such source of energy. It is widely described as the resource of the future. Solar energy is being used for cooking and even lighting. Advanced countries like Japan are developing cars that are run by solar energy. In India, biogas plants are being successfully used in rural areas as fuel for cooking. We need to conserve our forests and wild animals as our careless attitude has led to the extinction of many species. We need to conserve our natural resources and use them judiciously.
Dear children, I hope you understood that how important are natural resources for us, right? Now we will see the worksheet, okay? Let's go. So dear children, this is your worksheet 2 on the page of video lesson part 2, okay? Question number 1, fill in the blanks. You have to read the sentence very carefully. You have to find the correct answer from the given options and then you have to fill the blank, okay? Answer in short. Read the questions carefully and then answer it, okay dear children? Question number 1, define non-renewable natural resources. So you have to write the definition, okay, that these resources are exhaustible, right? Name the non-renewable natural resources. You have to write the names of the non-renewable natural resources. Which country is developing solar cars? You know the answer. In which areas of India biogas plants are being successfully used? Which areas? Okay, a small hint for you. The village areas. Now there is a specific word for village areas. You have to read the textbook carefully. You have to watch this video carefully and then you have to answer the question. I will see you next time with a fresh chapter. Till then,